Under Modi, Indian Railways is on a fast track to not just accidents but huge scams too. Now, the Parliamentary Committee on Railways has uncovered yet another shocking fraud, this time in line doubling. A critical project meant to reduce congestion and prevent delays has been derailed into a money-guzzling mess. Understand this. In 2024-25, the target was to double 2,900 kilometers of railway lines. But by December 2024, only 1,134 kilometers or just 39% of the project was completed. Yet, shockingly, out of the revised budget of 31,037 crore rupees, a whopping 22,918 crore rupees or 74% has already been spent. So, the work completed is just 39%, but the amount spent is 74%. This isn't just bad maths. It's a loot of public money in broad daylight. Modi's government has turned Indian Railways into a playground of scams and discrepancies. Meanwhile, passengers had to go through delays, accidents, and even stampedes.